Hi, everybody. So, if you are a distance student, you will be watching, if you have Disney Plus, you will be watching Black Panther. If you have Netflix only, you will be watching Into the Spider Verse. If you have Amazon Prime, you're watching Captain America the First Avenger. I just want to show you the type of notes that I'm expecting you to take as you watch the movie. We are watching it for school. It's not just to watch for fun, and we have a definite purpose in mind. We are big picture trying to plan out or figure out what are the life lessons or big messages coming from our film. So as you watch, and I would say stop every 10, 15 minutes, so set a timer on your phone. Look for places where Black Panther is using the story or the characters to help you answer any of these questions. So we have a number of topics. We have outsider versus insider and a sub-question. So as you're watching, if you are starting to notice, you're thinking about the question, wow, there really is a lot of outsider versus insider in this movie. They don't say it necessarily out loud specifically, but I see it. As you watch, pause your movie and come back and jot some notes down here. Okay. We also have the same topic. There's all of these are happening all over the movie. So as you watch, you're going to pause frequently because you have an idea you want to share. You notice what's a woman's place in the world, according to Black Panther. Rage of the outcast. Why is purposefully excluding someone from their community, making someone an outcast, create more problems? We have a question on leadership, on identity, of the role and impact of fathers. Our movie Black Panther has a ton of this kind of just woven into the story and into the characters. And so as you're watching, I want you to find places that this is coming through and tell me, what do you think you see happening? There's also a different way to approach this. Some people approach better by thinking about the characters that they're seeing. So as you watch, write down what you notice about these characters. What do they care about? How do they act? Why do they act the way they do? So as you watch, and you can just write right here, it's a black box, but the writing is white, so you'll be able to see it. Thinking about T'Challa, thinking about Shuri, Okoye, the Queen Mother, T'Chaka, who is his parents, Nakia, Eric Stevens, Killmonger, Everett Ross, and Ulysses Claw. These are kind of the main characters we want to follow and think about what they care about, think about their actions, and think about their motivations behind what they do. Because chances are, as you start to write about these characters, about their cares, about their actions, about their motivations, that's also going to connect back to things you see here. So it's the exact same setup for Captain America, but with the characters from Captain America, and the same setup of for Into the Spider-Verse. So it doesn't matter which of the three films you're watching. If you're watching Black Panther, yours looks like this. If you are watching Captain America, it's a little different. Some of the topics are different, some are the same. If you are watching Spider-Verse, some of the topics are different and some of the topics are same. And of course, the character pages are customized to the movie you're watching. So this is just a little helpful reminder of what you should be doing as you're watching your movie. So if you are at home distance, I'd like you to try and do half of the movie this week and half of the movie next week. You don't have to do it all at once. Most movies are around 2 hours long, maybe a little longer. So if you split that in half and add in time to stop and pause and add your thoughts in, we're definitely at 2 class periods. So for this week, take notes on the first half of the movie on both pages. And then next week, we'll add more in, okay, on the same document.